You're probably wasting time with AI, and you don't even realize it. Most people think AI makes everything faster, but a few small mistakes can completely ruin your results. In this video, I'll show you 3 mistakes you need to fix, and if you fix them, your results will improve immediately. Mistake 1. Vague prompts. The first mistake is using vague prompts. If you ask something general like, "Give me ideas," or "Help me with this," you'll get weak answers, because AI doesn't know what you actually want. For example, instead of saying, "Give me content ideas," say, "Give me 5 YouTube Shorts ideas about AI productivity for beginners." Same tool, completely different result. The more specific you are, the better your output becomes. Mistake 2. Using AI like Google. The second mistake is using AI like a search engine. Most people type a few keywords and expect perfect answers. But AI doesn't work like Google. Instead of short keywords, you should explain your goal. For example, tell AI what you want, who it's for, and what style you need. When you do that, AI becomes much more powerful. Mistake 3. No refinement. The third mistake is stopping too early. People ask once, get an average answer, and stop. But the real value comes from refining. Take the answer and improve it. Ask AI to rewrite it, simplify it, make it more professional. That's when the results become really good. If you fix these 3 mistakes, your results will improve immediately. Most people don't realize this, and that's why they struggle with AI. Try this today and tell me the result. And if you want more simple AI tips, don't forget to like and subscribe.